Hello everyone, my name is Raju Prasad. I am pursuing my BTech degree in Cloud Computing and Information Security from Ajinkya Devaya Patil University. I am here to discuss about my project, that is Real-Time Mass Detection System. Major project presentation on real-time mass detection system. So this is the content which I am going to cover in this presentation. So abstract, we know that in the COVID-19 spreading day by day, and in this I'm going to talk about the deep learning which I used in my projects. So we know that the world fighting with the COVID-19 day by day, the increasing the cases, and people are not wearing mask properly. Some are not wearing also, so we have to we have to wear masks. In that projects, I use the technology that it will recognize the people who are not wearing masks and not wearing masks. So I use the artificial network, the face mask detection technique, which will going to detect the person. Then existing system, I use the face recognition. It very easy to identify the faces, including the facial features. Then the specially hardware like video camera, it can catch through the video camera also, like we are installing in the CCTV camera. Then it fully AI based. It recognized through artificial intelligence. We have to train. It can identify the people not wearing mask and generate the alarm also, and notify security officials. Proposed solution, and we know that in current scenario what are going on, the government and the private organization want to make sure that everything working. Private and the public should be wearing masks, and should safe properly. And the technology tools is easy to implement in existing organizational systems, and custom alarm should be generated when the people are not wearing masks, and send the notification also to the persons or the securities also. This is the architecture of my projects, like input, output, image frames. The process detect mask, no mask, it detect no mask, load face, identify models. Methodology used in projects. So face mask detection, the AI, artificial intelligence, indirectly catch the people who are not wearing or wearing masks. Then the in future, if I'm developing the app, through app we can also get to know about these features, and we can install in our home CCTV cameras also. These are the DFT diagram of the projects. The first input the image, then the data cleaning, then the pre-processing, then splitting data from training data to testing data, and then batches data, so the batches training models, then testing model, detection of the image, detection of the real-time videos, the UML diagrams. This is the process: extract the image frames, convert the result video, load mask detection, mobile VNet, apply the image processing. This is the UML diagram, the process which I used while creating my projects. So hardware and the software requirement, that are the Windows, Linux, Python. We can prefer anything. Software, the Keras, OpenCV, Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, PowerShell. The hardware is dual core, 5 GB RAM and 1 GB RAM should be there. My timeline of the project is overall 100% is completed. research paper is also completed, and buildings is at the completed. Then this is a project task and work, and this is my status. So I gain the knowledge through these projects and learn many things like machine learning and the artificial intelligence. These are the screenshot of project when I'm creating. So these are the process, and this is the result of my outcome of the project. See, when I'm not wearing mask, it's showing in the red, not no mask, and while I'm wearing mask, it's showing green box that I'm wearing mask. So impact on society should be good, because day by day cases increasing, and people will wear mask, and who the people who are not wearing mask, they also started wearing mask because of this, because it will detect the person, and it will not have such type of disease like impact like COVID-19. So they will save, and one thing also, they will save from the pollutions also. The future work is it can be used easily in any camera or the hardware like CCTV surveillance cameras. Then it will notify the authorities who are not wearing masks, and it is easy to implement any existing organizations. Then it will generate the alarm customs alerts sent to the authorized securities official, and or to admin also. It is very easy, it's very workful, because because it is not very tough to install or to create also. Conclusion means components various AI and MLs in artificial intelligence, machine learnings. So system is very easy to deploy to any existing system of the business while keeping the safety and the privacy using data. So face smart detection system is going to be a leading digital solution for the most of the industries, and especially in the healthcare and the corporation sector of digital solutions. This is the reference through which I get the help more to get knowledge and get help to create these projects.